Stupid bird review. More stupid bird review with an incredibly stupid Wild Republic Audubon bird. This is the Carolina Wren. He's quite a wren. Carolina Wren, Backyard Bird Series 4, Audubon, Wild Republic. He's orange, mainly. He has light orange cheeks. He has these white eyebrows right here. I think that's the word. And there's this black airbrushing around it. He has a gray fabric beak, brown tips of his wings, and it's white under his tail. And he was made in 2010, but he was released in 2002. And he's really cool. So it's in pretty good condition. It's very soft. And overall, a very charming bird. Here's his range. See, he's in the south. Isn't that cool? So I'm going to give the bird rating for this one 10 out of 10. Perfect bird. Also, he's very, he's just very soft. You can't tell on camera, but he's softer than the other birds. Yeah, that's him.